In this new section of this course, we will learn how to create killer text-based design using the software which is called GIMP. This is a free and open source raster graphics editor, available for Linux, Mac, Windows and more operating systems. To download this GIMP software, simply open up your browser and then go to www.gimp.org and then simply hit on download button. Now the current stable version is GIMP 2.8.22. Now to download this, hit on download GIMP 2.8.22 directly. Look at this, our software is just start downloading and the software size is 85.4 megabyte. So our downloading is now complete. Now I just simply open up this window and here it is. This is our setup file. To install this software in our computer, I just simply double click on this, choose language English and click on customize, hit next and choose setup destination folder, C program file /gimp2 and hit on next. And now I check this, create a desktop icon. And finally, I just simply hit on install. Now wait for a moment. So installing is now complete. Now I just simply hit on finish. And in desktop, here you can see the GIMP software shortcut icon. To open this app, I just simply double click on this. GIMP is starting up. And yes, we just successfully finished our setup and open the GIMP software in our computer. In our next lecture, we will give the brief overview of the GIMP software interface. Thank you so much for watching.